You've scrubbed your sink, sprayed cleaner, even poured vinegar down your drain, and yet it somehow still smells. Let me show you why this happens and the quick fix that actually works. We're talking about kitchen sinks, the ones that start smelling sour even after you've cleaned them. If that sounds like yours, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reasons why your sink still smells and how to fix each one. Reason number 1, hidden junk under the metal part of the drain. That shiny metal piece where the water disappears traps grease, food particles, and soap scum. That sticky layer called biofilm is where bacteria grows and releases that sour gas. To fix it, scrub around that metal ring with a brush, hot water, and dish soap. I personally use Bar's Keeper to clean the entire sink. It cuts through the buildup and leaves my stainless steel looking brand new. If you've never used it, you'll be amazed at the results. Reason number 2, grease and residue inside the drain. Even if the surface looks clean, buildup forms deeper inside the pipe. Here's a simple fix. Pour 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar down the drain. It'll fizz and loosen grime naturally. After about 5 minutes, rinse that out with hot water and a tiny little bit of dish soap. That mix is gentle on your pipes and helps clear out leftover grease. Quick question, how often do you clean out your sink drain? Once a week, monthly, or never? Comment your answer below. Reason number 3, the overflow opening. You know that small slot near the top of your sink? It's there to stop water from spilling over, but it also collects dirty water and bacteria over time. Mix warm water with a little bit of dish soap, dip a small brush in, and scrub inside that opening. Then run hot water for about 10 seconds to rinse it out. But some sinks don't have that overflow protection. Reason number 4, garbage disposal buildup. If you have a disposal, old food will hide under that rubber splash guard. Every time you turn on your garbage disposal, that odor stirs up. Here's a simple fix. Scrub under the guard with a brush or a sponge, then drop in a couple of ice cubes and a slice of lemon while the disposal runs. The ice knocks off residue while the lemon slice leaves it smelling fresh. At home, I also like using Plink garbage disposal cleaners every now and then for a quick refresher. It's simple, fast, and keeps things smelling really fresh between cleans. Reason number 5, standing moisture. A damp sink lets bacteria grow. After cleaning, rinse with hot tap water and let the sink air dry for a few minutes before setting your sponge or dish rack back in. If your sink already smells really bad, here's a quick rescue routine. Pour 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 5 minutes, then go ahead and wash it out with hot water and a few drops of dish soap. That combo breaks down odor, clears residue, and cleans your pipes safely. Here's your quick checklist. Scrub around the drain, use vinegar and baking soda together, clean the overflow slot, refresh the disposal, and always let the sink air dry. Do these 5 things successfully and your sink will, well, smell like nothing, which is exactly how a sink should smell. And if you want to know why your towels still smell bad after washing and you want to know the fixes, watch this next.